If January didn't go the way you planned, this is your reminder that you don't have to wait until December. Until New Year's Day to start over because people start doing it in December. We're at the end of July, and honestly, this is one of the best times of the year to reset because summer is winding down, kids are heading back to school, routines are returning, vacations are ending, and life starts to become more structured again. Think about it. There's still almost 5 months left in the year. That's enough time to completely change your finances, your health, your home, your mindset and habits, and even your confidence. Forget the idea that you've wasted, I'm using air quotes here, that you've wasted the year. The only thing that matters is what you do from this point forward. Let's talk about the ultimate mid year purge so you can finish 2026 stronger than you started. Okay, so first and foremost, purge your home. It's hard to think clearly in a space filled with clutter. Go room by room and get rid of your clothes that you never wear, expired makeup and skincare, broken items, junk drawers, papers you've been holding on to, kitchen gadgets you never touch, old decorations, shoes that hurt your feet. A cleaner space often creates a clearer mind. And ladies, we need a clear mind. You're going to purge that phone. Your phone affects your mental health more than you realize. Delete screenshots that you never used, duplicate photos, old videos, apps you don't open, games that waste time and storage. Unsubscribe from emails. I do this on a regular. Delete those old text threads. Organize your home screen. Your phone should help your life, not distract from it. And then you're going to clean up that social media. Ask yourself, who am I trying to get inspiration from? Or who is draining my energy? What is draining my energy? Who makes me compare myself? Who constantly brings negativity? You need to mute, unfollow, and block if necessary. Protect your peace. This is a rapid fire list. So, next, we're going to move on to finances. I hope you're taking notes. Don't wait until December to see if you're in the red or the black. Don't wait until December to wonder where all your money went. Look at your monthly subscriptions, streaming services, gym memberships, eating out, shopping habits, credit card balances, savings, progress. Cancel what you don't need. Redirect that money towards your goals. And then you're going to purge that closet. Because if it doesn't fit, if it is stained, if it is uncomfortable, it got a hole in it, and you know you're not going to fix the hole, you're not going to repair it. If you've been saving it, I'm using air quotes. If you've been saving it for years, let it go. Keep clothes that make you feel confident today. Get honest about your habits. You need to be asking yourself what habits are making my life better and which ones are keeping me stuck. Maybe it's the doom scrolling, sleeping too late, constantly online shopping, you're gossiping. Procrastination is a big one. Negative self talk, replacing one bad habit can completely change your life by the end of the year. And that's what we need to be doing. Replace one bad habit. If I would say replace the doom scrolling. A lot of us do this. Next, review your goals. Pull out the goals you made in January. Don't judge yourself. Just ask yourself, is this still important to me? What have I accomplished? Do I still want to take this route? Do I need to adjust? Sometimes growth means changing the goal, not forcing yourself to continue to do what no longer fits. It's been a few months since the beginning of the year, and you might feel like, okay, well, I still do want to go back to school, but I don't need to go to school for this. I need to go for that. It's okay to adjust your goals. 8, purge your calendar. You don't have to say yes to everything. You can support people without saying yes to every single thing. You need to be looking ahead. Cancel any obligations that you secretly dread, like you really dread doing this. Now, if it's something big, I would say don't cancel. Like if it's something big to someone, don't cancel it. But be mindful of what you're saying yes to, because some stuff people are planning for it, they have to pay your way. Like maybe if it's a destination wedding, they have to pay your way for some of that stuff, and a lot of it goes into a bigger budget. So if you can make it, but from here on out, make sure you're not just saying yes to anything. Also, with your calendar, I need you to be protecting your weekends. Don't just book your weekends up for every single little thing. No. Ladies who are service providers, don't have a client every Saturday. This is not the 90s, the early 2000s. Have some weekends to yourself. Schedule time for yourself before everyone else fills your calendar up. Okay? That's what we need to be focusing on. Organize your digital life. You need to be creating folders, rename files, delete downloads that you no longer need, back up important photos, organize that desktop. Organize your desk, your physical desk, and organize your desktop on that laptop and on your phone. On your iPad, small things like these reduce your mental clutter. It's going to help you out a lot. Also, take care of your health. I need you to schedule appointments that you've been putting off. You scared to go to the doctor because you don't know what the results are going to be? Go to the doctor. Get it over with. That's how you build trust with yourself. Get that dental cleaning, physical that you need, eye exam, hair appointments. You know you need to get your hair treated. Get that appointment. Get that appointment booked ASAP. Therapy, massage, your fitness routine, meal planning. The future you will be thankful. And I need you to reevaluate your relationships. Who supports you? Who only calls when they need something? Who celebrates your wins and it really feels genuine? Who constantly leaves you feeling exhausted and always like you're bitter when you talk to them? Who constantly has you feeling like that? Not every relationship deserves access to the next version of you. We're prepping for that right now. I need you to reset your morning and evening routines. You don't need to have a 5 hour routine. Start simple. In the morning, make your bed, drink your water, stretch and move your body. Spend a few quiet minutes planning your day or going over what you've planned. Because in the evening, you should be planning your day for that morning, the next morning. I need you to tidy up in the evening, set out tomorrow's clothes, charge your phone away from the bed if possible. Go to sleep a little earlier. Consistency is going to always beat perfection. Also, we need to be choosing one big goal for the rest of the year. Instead of trying to improve everything, pick one area. Maybe it's losing weight, saving money, paying off a little debt, starting a business, reading a little more, building your confidence, getting healthier, growing your career. One focused goal often creates momentum in every other area of your life. Forgive yourself. This is a big one. Forgive yourself for the first half of the year. This might be the most important reset of all. Stop replaying what you didn't do. Stop beating yourself up. You cannot change January through July, but you absolutely can change August through December. Your future doesn't care how late you started. It only responds to what you do next. You don't need a new year to become a new version of yourself. You do not need to wait for January. Sometimes all it takes is one afternoon of cleaning, deleting, organizing, decluttering, planning, and making one decision to take yourself seriously again. So spend this weekend giving yourself a fresh start, purge what no longer serves you, create room for what does and what you want, and walk into the rest of 2026 with intention instead of regret. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with another woman who's ready for a reset. I'd love to know in the comments, what is the first thing you're purging this weekend? And remember, this is Pretty Girl Rich Era, where we heal, level up, and become the best version of ourselves. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, loves.